Conversation between Mark and Sarah.
Hey, Mark, how's it going?
Not bad, Sarah. Just finished my coding assignment. What about you?
I'm good too. I've been preparing for the upcoming exams. How was your assignment?
It was challenging, but I managed to figure it out. By the way, have you seen the new movie that just came out?
Not yet. I heard it's amazing. We should definitely plan to watch it together sometime.
Absolutely. How about this weekend? We can grab dinner before the movie.
Sounds perfect. Let's make it Saturday evening. I'll check the show timings and let you know.
Great. Looking forward to it. By the way, any plans for Friday night?
Not really. Why?
There's this new café downtown. Their desserts are incredible. Want to check it out?
That sounds tempting. Count me in. What time?
How about 7 p.m.? I'll pick you up.
Awesome, see you then.